Sometimes we have to take the makeup off and face ourselves and look in the mirror and say, well, I like myself, I love myself. When I was shooting like famous people, like actresses, you always retouch them to the max, and I couldn't see it anymore, you know. And I've always been a very authentic, very truthful person. So on one hand, you do the job, but then it's kind of painful when you see how much they distorted. I was kind of in my middle age as well, and I never saw those women which I represent, and they were just not present. What we read and what we see in the news and in the magazines and in TV, how perfect everybody is made up, and you know, this is like a fake world. Nobody's like that. I always had this vision of a diverse image of women. I found as well a lot of women who totally understand my project, my mission, who backed it up. You have the different ethnics, you have the different body shapes, you have women who went through cancer, reconstruction, no reconstruction, with their gray hair, with wrinkles, or even younger girls who do their shots in lingerie and said, look, this is who I am, and I'm fine with it. We name ourselves, so we call ourselves. If you ask somebody, what is your I am? They're so different. It's so creative, so amazing. It's a present to me, what they gave me, I think, to make this book possible. And I'm forever grateful for that.